everybody! Today on Little Heroes, we're gonna open these toys up. We have the Husqvarna chainsaw and this John Deere weed whacker. Let's open these up and see how they work. Now we're gonna check out this cool chainsaw. It comes in this bright orange color, and it's recommended for kids 3 and over. Recommended means you should be 3, but you don't have to be 3. It's really light, and if you press this button right here, it makes the real sound of a chainsaw. And if you press the bottom button, then it turns. Really sharp. It's just really soft plastic. Now let's look at the weed whacker. We got this power trimmer out of the box. This toy is recommended for kids 1.5 and up. The coolest thing about it is it doesn't take batteries, so this will never die. And the other name for it is it's a John Deere. And if you press this button on the bottom, it'll spin. You're gonna want to pull this pull chain like 3 or 4 times, or else this won't work. This is what gives it power. And then you can cut your grass. If it runs out of power, then pull the trigger a few more times. I can't wait to trim my grass with this. Which one was your favorite? My favorite was the weed trimmer because it spins these cool beads at the bottom. So, if you like watching us unbox these toys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe right here to Little Heroes. Bye! Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes. Bye!